I'm Miss Teresa with Box Springs Library, and welcome back to Make It Monday. Today we're going to make our haunted mirror. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, to make our spooky haunted mirror, you're obviously going to need a mirror. I got this one from the Dollar Tree. Any mirror will work. Get it from thrift store, Dollar Tree, whatever. Pick you out some spooky pictures, whatever you want. Just remember this is going in the back of your mirror, so you don't want it too big. These that could actually be a little bit smaller. Cut that out. You will need tape. You'll either need sandpaper, which I don't have, but I have a scraper, so we're just going to scrape it off. You're going to need scissors to cut that out. And then lastly, you're going to need some paint. This is just some acrylic paint that we have to give it that eerie feeling, okay? So to start off with, we're going to take the mirror, turn it upside down, and with the scraper, we're just going to start scraping that back off. And then as you're doing this, I'm going to pick this picture down here. As you're doing this, take your picture and size it up to the back so that way you can see how much scraping you need to do, okay? So you want to make sure that whenever you're scraping, you don't scrape it all, but you do scrape enough. So I've done scraping off my mirror. You can see there's some marks, but it's not as see-through as I want it to be. So I did go get some sandpaper. Oh, that's much better. So it's hard to do with the mirror, but that's how we want to position it, so you can just see the face or whatever image you want there. So that's how that's going to happen. That's where the tape comes in. You're just going to tape it on the back. Trim off any extra. So that way we have our creepy image in the mirror. So now it just comes on decorating. So if you want to leave her plain like that, you can. But if you want to antique it, that's where the paint comes in. Okay. So I have a sponge brush, and I'm just putting a little bit of paint around, and I have my paper towel. I'm just going to smudge it out because I want it so it's like an old, a very weathered mirror that you would find. So I don't want it like super shiny, super bright. And you can put whatever colors you want. Put in a little gold, a little white. And I'm just beating that out with my paper towel. I'm going to go around the edge. Because if you've ever seen an old mirror, it starts to weather and the mirror isn't completely shiny and new and all that. So Now for our frame, we're going to take the same process, a little gold, and we're just lightly dusting it just to give it that weathered antique look. And I don't want it all shiny. If you want it all white, you can make it all white. Michael's sells a spooky mirror at their location that has a white frame, and you can do that as well. I'm getting a little white, brushing a little white on. There we go. All right. Come on, mirror. So now we're going to put this down. Remember, this was our top because that's the hanger. Okay. So we put our mirror back down. And then we get our backing. And put our backing back there. There we go. We move these little slits over. Whoops. And there we go. There's your spooky mirror for Halloween. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Make It Monday at the Box Springs Library. I hope you have fun making your haunted mirror perfect for the Halloween season. And again, thank you for watching us, and join us next time. Remember to like, share, comment. We love seeing your creations. Bye.